What's going on, everybody? We got another reset for you. Today we have a Nothing Phone 1. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, we got a ton more stuff coming up in hard reset and teardown. So subscribe and check out. We got a bunch more stuff coming. If you want to see something in particular done, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up sooner than later because we got a ton more phones that we're going to post. And if there's anything you want to see sooner, we'll be more than happy to try to post that for you first. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or password and you don't remember what it is, this is how we do a hard reset on it. You have your power button right here. You have your volume up and volume down right here. I'm going to turn off the phone first. And as always, remember guys, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on the phone, it will be deleted. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this. I'm a really big fan of this orange color. It's really bright. I don't think it really shows on camera, but it's really nice. So what we want to do is we want to hold the volume up and power button at the same time. And that should bring us right to the reset menu. But let's give it a try. So I'll hold volume up first and then hold the power button. Let go of power when it turns on. And then hold the volume up for 2 seconds and then I'll bring it up. And then I'll bring it to this menu where volume down's okay. So that's your selection button. And then volume up is to select. So we want to get up to recovery, then push volume down. And it should load to the recovery menu, well, no command screen I should say. And then to get out of this, it's usually the same for most phones, but you'll hold power and then tap volume up. Then it brings up our options, and we want to use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, then confirm, hit the power button again, and then it's deleting, and it has deleted super fast. And then you can either reboot or power off, and we'll just hit reboot. And this is how you do hard reset on a Nothing Phone 1. This will take you to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate the phone back to the home screen. So if you guys have any questions, comments, just let us know. Otherwise, like, subscribe, share, do all that great stuff. We'd appreciate it. Until next one, thanks for watching.